Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to clear OpenAI site data, and to do so, on the top right corner you should see three little dots here. So what you need to do here is to press it, go to settings, go to privacy and security here, go to cookies and other site data, and here you need to scroll down until you see all the site data and permissions. And then here what you need to do here is to press on search, write open AI, or if it's not searching, just with the normal letters, just write it, and then as you can see here it should be OpenAI, and just clear that these cookies, and basically try if it's working for you or not. And if it's not, sometimes your Chrome extensions can basically block the access of ChatGPT. So what you need to do here, you need to press three little dots here again, go to manage extensions here on this, manage extensions, and disable all the extensions, and then try to log into ChatGPT. And if the problem persists, then if you're using VPN, try to disable VPN and see if the problem stays or not. And basically, if you clear cookies, if you disable browser extensions, then the last thing that you can do here to open ChatGPT is to change your browser. So you can use Brave, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, I don't know, whatever you like, and try to enter with another browser and see if it's working for you or not. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.